GENICON access port systems are designed to offer unrivaled versatility, efficiency, ease of use, and low cost. GENICON's shielded tip trocar and cannula system are operationally flexible and clinically adapted to all surgical needs. Finely sharpened tip provides an unrivaled ease of insertion through the abdominal wall. The ergonomic handle design allows for a firm, controlled grip while minimizing hand fatigue. The GENICON shielded trocar system was designed to minimize insertion force during entry into the abdominal cavity. The blade itself, the lateral sides, are completely dull. Only the very distal end of the blade assembly has any sharpness to help dissect and incise the tissue during entry into the abdominal cavity. It is protected by an active shield system that applies no less than 3 pounds of support during entry into the abdominal cavity. This will help protect underlying structures and organs during insertion. When assembled into the cannula body, it is important that you orientate the distal end of the trocar with the distal end of the cannula assembly. You will notice that the bevel of the cannula also follows the couture lines of the trocar system after it's fully inserted. For superior performance, it's important the bevel on the trocar system follows the bevel on the cannula assembly. Though it can be inserted if they are off orientation, for best performance, make sure the systems are orientated together. During entry into the abdominal cavity, simply rotate your hand about 60 degrees left and right, which will allow the shield to retract and the blade system to incise tissue and the peritoneum as it enters the abdominal cavity. After insertion to the patient, simply remove the trocar system and set to the side. At this point, the surgeon has the option to connect the carbon dioxide line to the carbon dioxide port on the cannula. The product is always packaged with carbon dioxide gas in the off position, or the red slide valve completely depressed. To begin gas flow, simply depress the green slide valve and gas will begin flowing into the patient. You will notice that the carbon dioxide port is angled at 45 degrees. The purpose of this is that during the procedure, that if the cannula were to rotate within the abdominal cavity, the gas line remains suspended above the abdominal wall, and to prevent kinking or an inadvertent gas shutoff during the procedure. The valve system itself is a single-stage assembly. It was designed to support the surgeon to remove specimens throughout the procedure. Inserting a grasper or retracting it, a specimen should pass seamlessly through the valve system. However, in the event that a larger specimen needs to be removed, simply push down on the valve, rotate it counterclockwise about 90 degrees, and will make available the complete breadth of the cannula body for specimen retrieval. Following this, simply reapply the valve and turn it in a clockwise position. Pneumoperitoneum will quickly be re-established. At the end of the procedure, simply remove the gas line, leaving the valve system in open position for rapid disinflation of the patient. Rotate the cannula until it's completely outside the patient's abdominal wall. The GENICON shielded tip trocars are available in 5mm, 10mm and 12mm diameters. All GENICON cannulas are available in both smooth and threaded variations.